A very good morning to all my class 12th B students. As in this video of account, we will discuss a new chapter named partnership admission. Admission of a partner. Partnership admission or admission of a partner. So let me simply introduce you to the chapter partnership accounts, admission of a partner. Okay. So first of all, there are these 4 chapters in the partnership: introduction or fundamentals, admission of a partner, retirement and dissolution. Okay, here we are discussing admission of a partner. So what is admission of a partner? Suppose Mr. A and Mr. B are partners. Mr. C joins the firm, so Mr. A plus Mr. B plus Mr. C will be admission of a partner. It is called admission of a partner. What will be the accounting treatment in it? First of all, there will be general entries, then revaluation account, then partners capital account, then cash or bank account, and at last there will be balance sheet. Okay. What adjustment we have to do at the time of admission of a new partner? What adjustment we have to do at the time of admission of a new partner? First of all, we have to determine new profit sharing ratio and calculation of sacrificing ratio. First of all, we have to determine new profit sharing ratio and calculation of sacrificing ratio. After that we will treat the goodwill. We will do the goodwill treatment. Then there will be adjustment in the revaluation of assets and liabilities, means we will prepare the revaluation account. After that, we will treat the reserve and undistributed profit, which will be given in the balance sheet liability side. Then there will be adjustment of goodwill. At last we have to prepare the balance sheet. Okay, so let's move further. Here I will tell you the journal entries. So journal entry related to the admission of a new partner. You can zoom it. Okay, but I am not zooming it. First of all, when new partner brings capital and goodwill. New partner, when a new partner will enter in a firm, he will bring some cash as his capital or goodwill. So its first entry will be bank or cash account debit to new partner's capital account to goodwill account. Then there will be distribution of goodwill. Entry will be goodwill account debit to old partner's capital account in sacrificing ratio. Goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. After that, if goodwill is not brought in cash by the new partner, at that time entry will be new partner's capital account debit to old partner's capital account. Means the amount of goodwill will be taken out from his share of capital. Then if amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner, if old partner withdraws the amount of goodwill, it will be old partner's capital account debit to bank. With the amount withdrawn. Then if there is reserve and undistributed profit shown in liability side, then entry will be reserve or undistributed profit account debit to old partner's capital account. If there is loss by revaluating assets and liabilities, entry will be revaluation account debit to assets or liabilities, amount of loss. If there is profit in revaluating assets and liabilities, entry will be asset and liability account debit to revaluation, and entry will be by the amount of profit. Okay. So these was the accounting treatment, but you have to learn the entries once. In the upcoming video, we will discuss the practical questions. Till then, keep trying, keep focusing on your studies, and keep doing accounts. Bye bye everyone.